What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the first gen, the other first gen, the race truck, whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to disassemble the compounds to readjust a couple things, such as the oil inlet lines, wrap the exhaust pipes, and a few minor things like this clamp is letting exhaust out, and the hoses to the heater core. What else?
Oil drain.
Oh yeah, oil drains.
Wrap the firewall. Fix the heat shield the firewall. Fix the oil drain on the small turbo. Maybe replace the small turbo with a bigger small turbo.
We can't say that unless we know for sure.
Oh, okay. Delete. Edit. Unhook our batteries.
First things first.
Small things. Literally disassembly.
Taketh the things apart. guys, we got her finished taken apart. As you can see, we're still waiting on freeze plugs and a different turbo, a couple other parts, a different primary turbo, and we got the heat shield to the fan motor on. It's pretty sticky, so I just stuck this part down here on the plastic on, and then up here sprayed it, and tends to be alright for now. Anyway guys, we'll thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.